Hey everyone, today we will be building this epic race car. Step 1 will be to destroy process. Okay, now we've disassembled it. Now we will reassemble the epic race car. We're going to start off with 2 wheels. Back ones. Doesn't matter the size. What I did for mine was I put on big wheels in the back instead of small wheels in the back. So it should look like this. Then you wanna put on the 4 pieces on the back like so. Then you wanna put on the front bumper. I add these little studs, 2 studs, a white and a black stud. Like this. See, black stud, white stud. For a cool effect. Then you put on the 2 1x3s. If that's what I think they're called. Put in the seats. Next, you're going to want to build the back piece. This 2 3 pieces, a 2 2x3, and a black 2x4 with a 2x2 on the back. You want to stick those together, put that here on the back of the car. You're going to place this like this on here.
I guess they were all trapped in there.
And then I put on the back wheel holder. So it should look like this. Then I add these 2 to help hold down this. So it should look like this. This looks like a spider almost. Legs, but I call it the spider design. Then you want to add 2 little propeller looking pieces to the back, like so. Let me make sure I did this right because, yeah, I did this right. Then you want to add the 2 back wheels. Adding these pieces to the front makes it look like a race car. Like so. And finally, add extra wheels, just for if you need to reload on wheels if you crash. And that is all for our epic car. If you would like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me any ideas or something you want me to try to build. I'll see if I can figure out how to build it. And that's all. Bye!